Hello and welcome to this meditation where we embrace much needed rest, rejuvenate the mind and body, and simply enjoy the pause of things. If you're in a season of winter or rest, have started your bleed for the month, are taking time to heal your body, or just wanting to hibernate, this session is for you. Take your time settling into the most comfortable position you can today. Maybe grab some more blankets, pillows, maybe a heating pad or hot cup of tea. And snuggle into what feels warm and restful for you today. If you'd like to, allow for your eyes to close and come away from the external world, come away from your day, your week, your month, your year. Maybe you can imagine it feeling like retreating into a warm, cozy cave, enjoying the sweet quiet of solitude, and steeping in no one else's energy but your own. Take a deep breath in, welcoming the peace, ease, and comfort waiting for you. And on the exhale, trace your exhale from the crown of your head all the way down to the soles of your feet, grounding you into this cozy space today. Another big breath in, welcoming comfort, ease, and peace. And exhaling all the way down your body, grounding you into this warmth. One more big breath in, opening up to ease, comfort, and peace. Exhaling into a grounding energy, snuggling in further. Great work. Now in just a moment, I'll count from 5 to 1, and when I get to 1, we'll be deep in the core of the body, where it's nice and warm, where it generates that pleasant heat, as if the parts of body matched different rooms in a house. We'll be going to the hearth, the fireplace central to the house, where all parts of you gather around its warmth. 5, focusing on my voice as if nothing else matters. 4, being here now in the present moment. 3, feeling a wave of relaxation pass from head to toe. 2, taking a deep breath in. And on 1, going deep into the room of your body that holds the hearth. Be there now. What do you notice? Maybe it's just a warmth. Maybe you can see a gentle fire. Maybe you can picture a whole room with a cozy couch, a blanket, a book, a sleeping pet. Take a moment to walk over and fully sink into the couch, allowing the glow of the fireplace to relax you further. The pleasant warmth of the fire massages out the skin and muscles of your face, your jaw, down your neck, wringing your shoulders out like a sponge, warming your chest, your belly, down the arms, the hips, legs, deep into the muscles of the feet. there are any aches and pains, allow for the glow and warmth of the fire to massage them out. Notice how they dull into nothingness, almost like turning the dial down to a mute. Enjoy the crackle and pop of the fire, knowing that this time is for you, that it's almost as if time stops still, so that you can relish in every second of this relaxing gift. Maybe you can notice how safe and protected you feel in this space, how you can be as slow as you'd like. Relax into the moment unfolding completely. Great work. As you look into the hearth, I'll state some affirmations you can repeat silently or aloud. As you repeat them, notice how they double in their resonance. I am at peace. This is my natural, effortless state. Rest is my birthright. I give my body permission to heal itself. I give my mind permission to rest and recharge. I allow myself to completely enjoy these cozy moments of rest. Great work. If any other affirmations would like to surface, allow them to do so now. Take a deep breath in, amplifying this warm, relaxed state. And on the exhale, anchoring it all in. Excellent work. If you'd like to drift off into a comfortable, deep, restorative sleep, you can do so. You can ignore everything else I'm about to say and surrender to profound rest. But if you're ready to come back to your waking state, first, get a sense of the peace and relaxation you'll be bringing with you. Know that you can move as slow as you need to today and accommodate for any needs you might have. And when you're ready, and only when you're ready, eyes open, with the warmth of the hearth glowing within you.